Okay, what we have is an Underwood number 5 antique typewriter, still in working condition. This typewriter, for its age, is immaculate. This particular typewriter dates right around 1926 or 1927. Here's where I gather that conclusion. If you see right space bar is working. I mean, it may still need some work. This is very old, but like I said, it's functioning. Right here is a serial number. The serial number is an 18 number. I've seen typewriters with a serial number of 26 that date in 1929. I imagine this 18 number will date at least maybe 1928, 27, possibly even 26. We have it functioning. It is typing. Typewriter, as you see written here. Look at the keys. The keys are nice and in good shape. We still have the print on the front here. Underwood Typewriter, number 5. Still working here. I'm in the age of computers and word processing, Microsoft Word, things like that, but I don't quite understand typewriters. But when I first started typing years ago, it was on a typewriter. It still has the patent dates on the back. Thank you. And like I said, yeah, it may need a little work here and there, but here we go. Capital I, J, K, tab, lock, shift key. I don't understand this part, but I do see the line spacer here. The margin things, they still work. We can get a shot in the side here to see the mechanicals of it. Very good condition. Not bad for as old as it is. And this is definitely an antique. I will be listing this on my store, CAC Variety Store. That's eBay. That's stores.ebay.com/CAC Variety Store. Thank you for looking.